Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Destinations A to Z. I'm Glenn Bailey. Check out where we're at right here. We're at the Florida RV Supershow in Tampa, Florida. This is a 45-foot mid-entry quad soft slide P50. Absolutely stunning. Check out this coach from Newell right here at the show. An absolute stunning coach. Center entry. As usual, Brian Laux does a fabulous job of designing the paint schemes on these. Absolutely stunning. Perfect colors for a show coach. I mean, look at this thing. It just oozes luxury. All right, we're going to go in and check out the Newell for 2026. Absolutely stunning entry. We got the one and only Brian Pitts here with Newell. Brian, I've seen him down here every single year bringing the coaches. He's absolutely amazing, and I'm sure he loves his job bringing these coaches. So what's special about this coach, Brian?
Well, a lot of stuff. This is a coach that we custom built for this event. We chose colors on the inside of the coach based on the Florida market. Tend to like a lighter interior with little pops of accents there.
More neutral.
Yeah, more neutral. The outside of the coach, those colors were chosen because this is the 250th birthday of the United States.
Wow.
And so we have a flag ghosted into the rear cap. I don't know if you caught that. You got to catch the wind or catch the sun just right. But there's an American flag ghosted.
Here you can actually see the flag that Brian was speaking about that's ghosted in. You see the stars right there for America's 250th birthday. Absolutely stunning. Ryan, you outdid yourself on this, coach. Congratulations.
This coach actually sold while it was in the paint booth, and I think that was
really
push the customer over the edge.
Ryan does a killer job designing the paint schemes for Newell.
Yeah.
So a big shout out to Ryan Laux.
Yeah.
All right. So let's show you the coach here. You can see the front seats swivel around for the mid-entry. So it is usable space. But what's even more astonishing is the large vista windows that Newell uses. And you can see outside. It brings the outside in. And if you don't want the outside, you can close down the shades and fix it to where it's no longer visible. Here's your galley area. Super nice, just like what Brian was saying. This countertop pops with the neutral cabinetry. It's absolutely stunning. Makes everything perfect. Your refrigerator is totally hid off. Does have touch panel control here. Everything is controlled via touch panel or via your phone. And check out this, you do have another TV here. This is your refrigerator here. As you can see, it's well pointed and hid into space. You have your built-in coffee maker here for those of you that drink coffee. Here is your half bath. So this is going to be a bath and a half unit. Check out the finishes here on this wall. Absolutely stunning as always. It's never a disappointment to see what Newell comes up with. And I mean, look at the countertop here. It's actually backlit, so you can actually see the design within the countertop. Super large TV back here for your theater. Obviously, you got your surround sound. Then back here, you've got your master bath. Again, with a backlit vanity here, so you can see the countertop. It gives it a three-dimensional feel. Then check out your shower here. Can you say super nice? All mirrors to backlight everything and give you plenty of space and make the space look bigger than it actually is. Then you have your toilet. Super luxurious. You have another touch panel over here to control your coach from your bed. Absolutely stunning as always. And then obviously it is a carpet-free coach. You see here the tile work. It's totally a level floor. You can see right here, this is a better example showing where everything is all one level. This is the fit and finish of a Newell. This is what you're paying for. This is why you get this. Then your ceiling. And then look here at your backsplash. Look at this. Can you say super sharp accents? It's absolutely stunning as always. Full digital cockpit. Be sure to call them. They're based in Miami, Oklahoma. Place your order. You do have to get those at about 3 years in advance. And if you follow my channel, be sure to check out Mark Martin's brand new Newell that he's getting custom built right now. He gets a new coach every 3 years. There you have it. We just took you through on a tour of this RV. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And be sure to check out other videos coming out over several weeks. And be sure to check out also RV news and recalls coming out the first Saturday of every single month. Thanks for watching as always. And remember, safe travels.